Hello my friends in estate, welcome to my video. In today's video I want to show you how to add your social media information during registration. Now some people have been struggling to do this, but after watching this video I believe you will know how to get this done, right? So it's not difficult at all. It's so easy to do. I'm going to show you the process of adding your social media during your registration. So once you click on my link to register, or whoever referred you to estate, once you click on the person's link to register, this page is going to display. Okay, when you click the link you will see all of this page. This is one page registration. Okay, now if you look at it, you will notice that there are some sections that require your personal information, like your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, confirm password, your phone number, the country you are located, your address, your date of birth. And then there is these three different sections here that requires you to enter your Telegram handle, which is your Telegram username, or your Facebook username, or your Instagram username. Now you do not have to provide these three key information. You only need to provide only one. But if you have Telegram, you have Facebook, you have Instagram, then by all means just add them all here. Okay, now the challenge that some people are having is to know the right information to paste here, because if you don't complete one of these three items here, you are not going to be able to complete your registration. Okay, so to get your Telegram username, this is how to get it. All right, go to your Telegram. Once you are on your Telegram, go to your profile, because it is through your profile you will be able to get your username. So once you get to your profile, okay, copy your Telegram username and paste it on your estate registration page. So copy this username here. Okay, this is my Telegram, so copy. I'm using my own as an example. Go to your own Telegram, you will have your own username. If you don't have your username, please set it up. It is easy to set up. The prompt for you to set it up will be in front of you on your Telegram channel. So if you don't have a username on your Telegram channel, set it up. It's easy. All right, this video is not going to cover how to set up your username on Telegram, but it's showing you how to copy the username that you have already set up. So copy your username and then go back to your estate registration page and paste it on the section where it says Telegram. Now if you have a Facebook and you want to add your Facebook username, go to your Facebook as well. Go to your Facebook profile picture. On my right hand side here, you will see your profile picture. Click on that profile picture. This will now load up your Facebook profile browser page. Now remember, when you are navigating your Facebook, they have different browser pages will be opening. Okay, if you go into your posts that you have done, your Facebook is going to load up the browser page for that post. But now what I need you to do is to go to your Facebook profile page, and for you to do that, you click on your Facebook profile picture. Okay, it should be around there. Okay, just follow the arrow, you will see your Facebook profile picture. Once you hit that, your browser page will open for your Facebook profile page. Now what you need to do is not to copy everything there. You copy the last section, okay, of your Facebook profile info, which is the one I highlighted, and then paste it on your estate registration page. Again, copy it, go back to your estate registration page and paste it there. Okay, now let me show you how to do your Instagram if you have Instagram. So go to your Instagram. Once you are on your Instagram, again, go to your Instagram profile. You need to be able to go to your any of your social media that you have. Go to the profile. That is where you get your profile username. So click on your username for your Instagram and then copy only your profile username from your profile browser and paste it on your estate registration page, which is this section here. So once you have pasted your Instagram username there, you just click create account, okay? And then your account will be created. You will be able to complete your registration. So make sure, please, that after completing all your information here, you want to double check to make sure that all the information you have entered here, that all the information are correct. Okay, check the spellings, check the spelling of your name, check your email, make sure your email address is correct, make sure your password is strong enough, double check your telephone number, double check your date of birth, double check your address, and then make sure 100% that you have copied the right social media handles, okay? And then you will now be able to click create account, and then that will now allow you to continue your registration, where they are going to send you 6-digit code to enter into that box. And then once you enter into the box, your account will be created. Okay, so this is how to add your social media handles on your registration page in eEstate when you are registering. So please make sure you share this video with any member of your team so that they will know how to enter their social media handles, okay, or username. Now, after you have created your account, let's say you want to update your social media handles or username, what you then do is you go to your name. Okay, so go to your name, click on that drop down arrow. When you click on that drop down arrow, you will be able to see settings and logout. You want to click on settings. When you click on settings, it will drop down and open up this page. I think it is default to personal details, but if it is not default to personal details page, click on this tab that says personal details. So when you click on that tab that says personal details, you will also be able to update your social media again. Okay, add more. You can see that they have LinkedIn here, they have Twitter here, they have TikTok, they have YouTube, they have Discord. So you can add and update whatever that you want to update here, even including your personal details like your name, your email address, your date of birth, your home address, your country. You can update all of that. Once you have entered the right information, okay, you click save changes. When you click save changes, I believe there will be email that will be sent to you with 6-digit code, where you are going to enter the 6-digit code and click update, and that will now complete your update if you want to update your personal details and any other information. So guys, I hope this video helps you learn how to add your social media channels during your registration in eEstate. Please make sure you share this video because it will help a lot of people to know how to do that. For those people that are struggling to register because they don't know how to copy the right social media handles into that box. As I said before, you do not need to enter the 3. Okay, just so you know, you do not need to enter the 3. You only need to enter 1 during your account registration or when you are signing up. But if you have the 3, then please put them on. Okay, that is it, guys. This is a good video for you guys to learn and know how to do this. Thank you guys for coming to watch this video, and for those that are looking to join eEstate, the link to do so is below this video description. If you wish to join eEstate and earn daily passive income from fractional real estate purchase that we are doing in eEstate, all right, it's 100% passive. If you like passive income, this platform is good for you. So don't hesitate to sign up with the link below this video description, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you and God bless.